Hey everybody, it's me, Angela Walters from Quilting is My Therapy, and this is our new weekly Quilting is My Therapy session with your favorite quilt therapist. And what I'm doing is just giving you an update on what we're doing here at the Quilt Shop and what's coming up, and it's going to be a fun way to connect with you. And in this video, I want to talk to you about Club Carryall. Club Carryall is our Bag of the Month club. So every month we have a different feature project, custom curated by Becky, our master bag maker. And this month's project is the Boulder backpack. So I love how roomy and big it is. And the kit comes with everything that you need to make it. All the zippers, all the interfacing, all the fabric, everything you need. So we've really put a lot of thought into making that nice and convenient for you. And as part of the Club Carryall, if you live in the area, you can come to the Club Carryall session for free, and you can come make your bag with other bag makers, or you can just stay at home and make it too. But what's really neat is this is a perfect project for the month before our retreat. We have a retreat twice a year, and April is our next retreat, and it's going to be April 24th, 25th, and 26th. And during the retreat, we thought, you know what's better than a backpack to keep all your retreat supplies? So what do you even bring on retreat? Well, of course, you're going to need some pins and a thread cutter. This is going to help your chain piecing, so we're going to stick that in there. And then we have our Hera marker and our seam ripper to mark your lines and then, take out any stitching that doesn't work. What else do we have? Oh, we have our iron silicone rest. So these are new, and I really kind of love that because I kind of get used to the iron that comes up on its own, and this will keep you from burning your iron pad. Sewing edge supplies. We have clips, quick quarter triangles. So all the notions that you need are going to fit in this cute little backpack. And of course you need a project. So a jelly roll project, something nice and mindless to piece while you're chit-chatting at retreat, can also fit in there. A little ruler and a little iron pad, nice and small, easy to tote around. Of course, a little spray bottle. I kind of feel like this is Mary Poppins tote here. An iron, your own little iron. That way you don't have to wait in line for the big irons. We know how that is. It's going to fit in there as well. And of course, we have other previous month's projects. We still have a few of those in, like our Sew Together bag. Again, comes with everything that you need to make it. And so that could fit right in there as well. Really, really cute. So I'm loving this month's project for Club Carryall. And don't forget, you can buy the kit and come to the session, or you can just buy the kit. The next session is March 14th, and it's going to be a great time. Well, thanks for stopping in for this therapy session, and I'll see you next week where we'll go over some other new fun events. Happy quilting!